In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide labels in Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered or you want to streamline what you see while scanning your emails, adjusting label visibility is a quick win. Labels in Gmail work like flexible folders, and deciding where they appear can make everyday triage much easier. For this walkthrough, use Gmail in a desktop browser, since the options we're using are in the web settings. Start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear-shaped icon to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel is helpful for common tweaks, but we need the full menu for label controls. Click the button that says See All Settings to open the complete settings page. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click the tab labeled Labels. This tab is where Gmail lists every label associated with your account, including the built-in ones like Inbox and Sent, as well as any custom labels you've created. Now scroll down until you find the section with the column titled Show in Message List. This refers to whether a label appears next to individual emails in the message list, the main list of conversations you see in your inbox or any other folder. Showing a label in the message list can be very helpful if you rely on those colored tags to quickly identify categories or workflows. Hiding them can reduce visual noise if you prefer a cleaner look. In this section, you'll see options to show or hide for each label. Show will display that label alongside applicable messages in the message list. Hide removes that label from view in the message list even though the label still exists and continues to organize emails behind the scenes. You're not deleting anything, you're just choosing visibility. Go through your labels and choose which ones you want to show or hide. You might show labels you use daily and hide those used only occasionally. Click the option you prefer next to each label. Gmail saves these changes automatically, so there's no extra button to press. As you browse your emails, you'll notice labels appearing or disappearing next to message subjects based on the selections you made. And that's it. Done. By taking a minute to tailor which labels appear in the message list, you'll make your inbox easier to scan and your workflow more focused. If your needs change, you can return to the Labels tab anytime and adjust your choices just as easily.